Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video of Fry-Yay, I'll be making some fried coconut shrimp, or prawns as we call them here in the UK. So first off, let's talk about the coconut. It's the sweetened coconut. You won't be able to find this in the UK as popular as it is in America. You can use desiccated coconut, but I've made my own. This is sweetened coconut flakes, and this is the FLAKES. Doesn't look much different than the one I've made. I do keep this one in the freezer, but for the purpose of this video I decided to make a homemade version of this. So if anybody wants to try that doesn't have access to sweetened coconut flakes, it is pretty simple to make your own. To make the sweetened coconut flakes, we're going to start off by making a simple syrup. So I've got 1/4 cup or 59 milliliters of water, 1/4 cup or 59 milliliters of white sugar. Just going to let this dissolve. Our sugar is dissolved. I've got 1 cup or 236 milliliters of shredded coconut. This is freshly shredded. I shredded it on the smaller side of a box grater. You can use a desiccated coconut as well. So we're just going to cook this in the syrup for about 10 minutes until the liquid has absorbed, and then I'll put it in the oven on my lowest setting, which is gas mark 1, to completely dry this out, and then I'll store it in the fridge. Guys, it's been 10 minutes. It's completely absorbed all of the liquid. Just gonna turn that off. We're going to put it on a baking sheet. I've got one lined with some parchment paper. I'm gonna put it in the oven on my lowest setting for 5 minutes. Once it's done, then I'll come back and I'll show you the end result. That's our sweetened coconut flakes done. I'm going to let this cool and then store it in the fridge. So I've got 12 shrimps. They're deveined. These are the ones with the tail on. We're just gonna season it with 1/2 teaspoon of Old Bay and 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper. I've got 1 large egg, some panko breadcrumbs, some plain flour, all-purpose. We got salt and pepper, and I'll be frying mine in coconut oil. You can use vegetable oil or any oil that you wish. First off, we're just gonna season our shrimp. You can use whatever seasoning you like. You can use salt and pepper. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper in the egg. That's our shrimp done. Let's just set that to one side. Got 1 large egg. That's our egg wash. Let's measure out 1/2 cup of plain flour. Set that to one side. We're going to measure out 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs and 1/2 cup of our sweetened coconut flakes. Before we fry our shrimp, let's make a quick salad. I've got some mixed baby leaf salad here. I've washed it and drained it. I've got some cucumber, red onion, sweet pepper, and this is some mild pickled sweet pepper. I've got some Greek feta cheese, and this is some salad topper. So it has cranberries, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. We'll put this on at the end. Let's do a quick vinaigrette. Just gonna squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Got 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I've got some pure maple syrup. Just going to use half of a teaspoon, just to add a little bit of sweetness and to balance out the acidity of the ACV and lemon juice. And then we're just going to put a sprinkle of salt and some black pepper. Let's just whisk this. That's our vinaigrette done. You can cut your veggies however you want. So that's our salad done. This is our station. So I'm going to start with flour, egg wash, then breadcrumbs and coconut. I am doing these one at a time, and then I put them on a baking sheet and we let them sit until it's time to fry. You want to get these really coated, so you want to press this down to make sure it's nicely coated. And that's our lovely coated coconut shrimp. Got my pan here on a medium low heat. Going to add enough coconut oil or whatever oil you're using to cover the bottom. I'm gonna let this melt down. We're gonna fry these for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Okay, our oil is hot. Let's put in our shrimp. Let's get ready to flip. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top. Our coconut shrimp is done. They look nice and golden brown. We just need to finish off our salad now. So I've got some avocado. That's our crumbled feta cheese. And that's our vinaigrette. Gonna add some of our salad topper. That's our salad done. For our shrimp, I've got a baguette tray. Got some sweet chili sauce. This is the mild one. Let's do some close-ups. There you have it. Today's Friday meal. Fresh side salad with our homemade vinaigrette. Then we've got our fried coconut shrimp with sweet chili sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on your notification bell so you know when I post new videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.